Drawing tablets make it easy for artists and designers to bring their work to life with responsive touch screens with outstanding brightness and color accuracy. The best tablets for graphic design emulate the natural feeling of drawing on paper and have large, clear displays with the pressure-sensitive pens and other specialized features to differentiate them from the regular iPads and Android tablets. That's not to say regular tablets won't work for graphic design. Many artists use them because of their multiple capabilities and portabilities. In this video, I will be showing you 5 amazing tablets for graphic designers, artists, so that they can do their creative work easily with these devices. Do watch the video till the end and let me know in the comment section which tablet did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new tablet, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch. Best Apple tablet for graphic designer. Apple iPad Pro can run most graphic design applications and has stellar 12.9-inch liquid retina XDR display to bring out the best in your art. Apple's iPad Pro is not specifically created for drawing and lacks the matte finish, papery feel and battery-less stylus of drawing tablets. On the other hand, it's a multi-function tool for calls, messages, and more, and is portable enough to carry anywhere thanks to its 12.9-inch size. The iPad Pro works with the most design software, and the iPad Pencil offers fantastic precision when paired with the responsive liquid retina XDR display. Some buyers prefer a dedicated drawing tablet because there are no calls or notifications to distract them, while others prefer having a dual-user device which is often more cost-effective. Either way, it's great to have the processing power of the M2 chip and 2 TB of storage for your designs, videos, and images. You can also attach the optional Magic Keyboard to turn the iPad Pro into a mini MacBook when you need to work on documents and spreadsheets. Buy this amazing tablet for its clear 12.9-inch display, excellent performance, and it is tough. Xerox Artist Pro 16, the best mid-range tablet for graphic designers and artists. The Xerox Artist Pro 16 is an excellent choice if you are getting started in the graphic industry because it has a portable 16-inch 2.5K display and handy remote control for a reasonable price. Hobbyists and amateurs looking for a drawing tablet under budget price can try Xerox Artist Pro 16, which offers upmarket features for a low price. The 16-inch 2.5K display with an anti-glare surface offers smooth drawing experience and is the perfect size for people on the go. Not many drawing tablets offer the same flexibility, and the Artist Pro 16 appeals to different types of artists because you can turn off the display and use it as a screenless drawing tablet. The Xerox Artist Pro 16 features a built-in kickstand with a 90-degree angle and includes a stylus with 16,000 pressure levels and 8 spare nibs. You also get a convenient remote control with a dial and 10 programmable buttons, and it connects to the tablet via a Bluetooth dongle that plugs into the USB-C port. Buy this amazing tablet for its portable size, handy remote thing, and great stylus. Huion Comas 24 Plus, best value tablet for graphic designers. Huion Comas 24 Plus offers amazing value. It has a 2.5K Quad HD display and excellent color accuracy for a reasonable price. The Huion Comas 24 Plus is one of the most affordable ways to get a 24-inch tablet, and there is no sacrificing picture quality thanks to the stunning 2.5K Quad HD display with an excellent 140% sRGB. An anti-glare etched glass display reduces reflection and contributes to the comfortable drawing experience and wide 178-degree viewing angle. Connectivity is decent with the 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A thoughtfully placed behind the display's right bezel. Huion battery-free PW517 stylus keeps things simple with a rubberized grip and all the expected features like spare nibs, 8192 pressure levels and a tilt function. And the Canvas Super 24 Plus surpasses its price rivals by including a sturdy screw-on stand with a rubberized feet for a strong grip and adjusts between 20 and 80 degrees for perfect viewing angle. Buy this amazing device for its 24-inch quad display, includes a stand and great color accuracy. Wcom Syntic Pro 27. Wcom Syntic Pro 27 has a 27-inch 4K display and 8 customization express keys for a comfortable user experience. Wacom's Syntic Pro 27 offers a massive 27-inch 4K Ultra HD canvas with 99% Adobe RGB and 98% DCI-P3 to create your masterpiece. A matte finish on the display reduces glare and reflections, and it's responsive and silky smooth with a 120Hz refresh rate. Build quality is top-notch, and the Syntic Pro 27 has a sturdy feel with 8 customizable express keys. Build quality is top-notch, and the Syntic Pro 27 has a sturdy feel with 8 customizable express keys on the rear panel and multi-touch and pen gestures as input options. There is no built-in operating system, and it connects to your laptop or MacBook via USB-C, USB 8, mini DisplayPort and HDMI. Buy this amazing tablet for its 27-inch Ultra HD display, 120Hz refresh rate and 8 express keys. Zensi Labs Pen Display 24, best overall tablet for graphic designers. It's easy to get immersed in your drawing with the Zensi Labs Pen Display 24, which offers a massive glare-free display to express yourself and the handy quick keys remote to improve productivity. The Zensi Labs Pen Display 24 takes the fight to more established brands like Wacom with an anti-glare matte display and a smudge-free design to resist fingerprints. The Pantone validated 24-inch 4K display is a stunner with a brilliant color accuracy and is a joy to draw on using the included thick and thin styluses with 8192 pressure levels. The build quality is fantastic with a sturdy magnesium alloy back housing, and finding the perfect drawing positions is easy with the built-in tilt stand offering between 16 and 72 degree of adjustments. Another standout feature is the Quick Keys remote, which has agile and programmable keys that make it easy to map Photoshop shortcuts. It's easily attached to the tablet's side and includes a handy OLED display to show you what each button does. Buy this amazing device for its stunning display, includes 2 styluses and extra nibs and handy remote control. So these are the 5 amazing graphic design tablets that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.